Just post and watch the magic happen, right? Just show up on TikTok 3 times a day and the sales will come. Unless your posts are actually worth reading, no one cares. Quality content and genuine engagement are what win on social media. Simply posting and showing up is not enough. Just simply checking it off your box in your planner every day saying, I did it, 3 videos today. You need to go beyond posting just random content because newsflash, consistently doing the wrong thing can hurt your business. I mean, think about it. How often do you scroll past posts that don't grab your attention? Your audience is doing the same thing. The magic formula for content is making it compelling and authentic combined with engaging. That is how you will build a loyal following of audience members that care about your brand, that want to work with you. If you build a content strategy that you are confident speaks to your ideal client and it's solution selling and it feels good to you with integrity, that is when you will start making sales. That is when you will start showing up differently because you will know what the fuck you're doing in your business every day. Clarity and efficiency are the 2 biggest points that come with a content strategy. Knowing exactly what to create, how to show up, and then efficiently saving you time so you're less stressed, so you actually enjoy your business instead of resenting it. It also allows you to batch. So you're gonna notice a lot of videos in this t-shirt because here it is on a Friday and I am batching like 25 videos today because I have a plan and I've written all this content out and now I'm filming. And then you can rinse and repeat it. You can create an omnipresence so that you don't have to constantly be in the content hamster wheel creating new content every single day.